Boys, this is my music, this is my album. Don't forget to check it out right now on my YouTube. I'm switching double cash in my payment. Dia cuba ikut cara step another level, nak invest. I got something, there's a strawberry, cuba confess. I got this type perlu nak letak fake icon in Pinterest. Yeah, I wanna feel like Drake bila dengar lagu. Yeah, I wanna feel like cool bila dengar lagu tu Wazy. Dia nak lagu malam macam Jay-Z. Dia budak still tak macam Gen Z. Dia nak buat hits bila aku drop macam api. Yeah, dia drop macam api. Switch tak boleh nak fade in bila salah position, tapi tak boleh nak switch in between. I got this kalau bila kita dalam mesin masa ruang angkasa. Aku bagi dekat bad bitch, dia nak hidup macam sempurna. Boys, tackle on my face like bitches on my dick. Yeah, give it all the way. Yeah, rating dengan mic, so I got all the mic. Bila pull up semua energy kita sold out. Yeah, album kita cuba selling, tengok berapa banyak kita cuba drop. Diss banyak budak-budak baru album, so cafe kita TikTok. Dia budak baru release, dia hits nak ikut cara tu sneaky, tapi tak boleh nak barking. Sorry banging at the door, ramai tak nak sneezy. This sun never sleep. We gonna make it request. This budak baru dia nak cari aku buat style. Jadi aku drop up macam api. Dia nak ikut cara aku, tapi nak cuba nak steady. Dia nak buat hits, dia nak drop lagu macam api. Tapi nak lagu macam ni, tapi nak lagu macam ni. Dia nak drop vision aku terang dan macam bunga api. Dia nak drop bila aku bagi bad bitch every week. Dia nak rating, tengok berapa banyak haters. So I don't wanna be like debate. Tak boleh nak roll it, tapi tak boleh nak feeling bila kita cuba debate. Tapi budak-budak tak payah